Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Genshin Impact. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Genshin Impact account, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to genshin.hoyoverse.com. Here at the top right, tap Official Site. You will be taken to the home page. To delete your account, make sure that you are logged in. Now hover over your email address at the top right and tap Account. On this page, tap the Account Security Settings tab. Here, scroll down and tap Delete Account. If this message pops up, you must mail the Genshin Impact team to delete your account. So, open your mail and compose a message. The mail should be addressed to genshin_cm@mihoyo.com or genshin_cs@mihoyo.com. On the subject, type request to delete my account, and on the body, explain the issue. Now tap Send and wait for the reply. And that's how you delete your Genshin Impact account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.